You're swishing it now, huh? Yeah, what happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane.
Chris, are you gonna grab some chocolate?
Yeah. Oh.
No, you're not.
Oh. Oh.
That's minimum.
$45, correct? Because it's half of 30, 15.
Can I have it? Please?
No lip kisses. I have to have both hands on. Are you gonna cry? You want another hug? I'm sorry, I don't do lip. Oh. Just stick it out there, they'll get them. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Calma ali.
Wow! 哟！
You can make the horse yawn.
Free! Oi!
At 5 in the morning? Bring your shit? This is what I get. This is what I get from you? Nimbus. All I want is your love.
I got you.
Yeah, Hanky's trying.
You're stuck.
What are you doing? Brick?
His ears are listening to the ocean's secrets.
You make a wish?
When you realise blowing out candles means you just got a year older.
Banana.
Christine.
Really funny.
Come on. Come on. Where is your dad?
Clark, do you have my water bottle? Can I have it, please? I'm gonna drop it.
Boy. Yes, he is. No, he's a good boy. No, you can't have any. Get it,
So loud.
Since when is marinating your foot a trend, doggo?
Good.
He's a pretty girl. Oh, he's a pretty girl. You can't go.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Why is this?
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
All right, you gotta stop. I said.
A walk? Do you want a food?
No, I have a little girl just like you at home. Her name is Ellis. Can I see the KV?
Is this real?
You're supposed to be watching, boy. Not napping.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we're challenging you to the ultimate test with the most hilarious pups.
You're so funny!
Why is she sitting like that?
Cleaning? Nah, he's bettering his jawline perfection.
Oh no. Really? Does that feel so good?
What do we want? Head scratches. When do we want them? Okay.
I'll let this stuff take the air fryer.
Yummies.
Sir, please move. Sir, please move.
Sentadinha, bonitinha, tá? Bonitinha. Avec.
Siarkę baranie, ty! Ja pierdolę. No, kurwa, no nie dam mu rady. No. Kurwa!
Never did I give. He's really cute. You did good.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. What's this? What is this? What's...
Moi, je t'ai pas raconté l'histoire du chien. Non, mais j'avais raconté ça, je vois.
My package? Did you?
Peak potato energy right there.
Pick that up.
Player, can you please stop chewing my wall? I know you want him.
She's refusing to give up prime real estate to a loud machine.
Hey. Oh my god! Get away now!
Icarus, no.
Nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
Diaper change.
Miss you.
Hey, turn around.
Hey!
Now squat down so he can get down off of you.
Yeah.
Don't let him take your phone.
Hey, Nala, that's yourself.
Okay.
Уже наш ракушка. Эй, подожди.
Look at all the catnip. Was it you?
I see your cast human, but what about our game?
Go, Cooper.
Hey, what are y'all doing?
Oh my God!
Excited, ain't you, boy? You gonna go see Mima and Peepa's house.
Oh, Scheiße. Oh mein Gott.
What are you doing? Louvre. Louvre, stop. This is what he does when he wants.
Look outside. Look outside, Lander. Lander, look outside. Lander, look outside. Look outside. Look behind you. Look. Oh my God. How do I show you this? Lander, look outside. Look out.
No! I'm here!
Hi. นอนใดมันคือนอนใดมันเป็นยังไงมันเป็นยังไงลูก
Okay.
You can show me one more flop.
Ti fai qualche luogo. Hermoso, più hermoso. Yeah.
When summer shipping.
Fact, puppies can sleep up to 18 to 20 hours.
you do? Go. Come on, King. Come on, King.
Workout day today. Arm day for Biggie. Ready? Go.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
We're not in play mode. We're in go to bed mode, okay?
If you want to go outside, you have to wave. You have to wave.
I'm not throwing the pine cone. I'm in the middle of something.
Okay.
Want sweet potato? You love that? Where magic music spells.
Hello, sweet boy, sweet girl, wherever you are.
太现实了。Pierdolę, wpuść mi tą kosiarkę do mnie. Kurwa, puść. Ja pierdolę.
Two kids in the same house always seem to have opposite personalities.
No. I didn't ask for back talk.
Proof that huskies are vocalizers, not just barkers.
Well, to have a savannah, this is what you need to be prepared to do. Make breakfast with it on your back and that.
Baby cake. No, me arruña recién. Baby cake. Chingada madre. ¿Qué hizo?
No, you're gonna give him a concussion.
That's not riding it.
Are you proud of yourself, Debbie?
Folks, this vocalization is called braying. Proof that happiness is just around the corner of a sandhill.
Wesley, that dog is not hurting you. It's minding its own business.
When the beat drops, but you're not allowed to get up.
Brick.
Bad guys stand no chance against those sparkling eyes.
You must do something. There's a leaf that inhibited you from being able to walk.
O que aconteceu aqui? Lisa? Não foi você?
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Joey!
What? Who did this? Oh my gosh. You did this, girl?
The bunny thinks the pug is just a very wrinkly trampoline.
Big really.
What is it?
Play with me, Daddy.
The vines didn't trap him. He's becoming a forest spirit.
Poor little baby dog stuck to the big dog.
Cachorro pilotando a moto. Que onda do caralho, velho. Down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh. Oh!
The reason why we can't have nice blinds. Watch out, humans. What did I tell you about distancing?
I can't play fetch with
She's on the roller coaster of sleep. Whee! Whee!
See that? It's the ocean.
Bark, she barks.
Poof.
Now yours, fine. No.
고백했던 그 순간 가보고 싶었던
But his frantic search for food can lead him into dangerous territory.
Who needs a John Deere? Meet our safety king. He'll take the license soon.
Get up here. Oh, we're gonna go up the slide now. Oh, we're going down. This is so strong.
His eyes is just like, just going on like
Doctor, hopefully Mr. Bear is gonna make it.
Head down, start backing, boy.
Так, вот уже наш ракушка. Эй, подожди. Вот ты...
¿Qué andas haciendo tú tomando agua?
Let it go, Tonks, let's go. The other dog's coming.
Never mind. It didn't work. Sorry.
May the force be with you, Lily.
Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Come on. What do we do? What do we do before we go inside? Go ahead, wipe your feet. Good girl.
Wings, ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Big eagle! Yes, majestic. Hello.
No! Yeah.
Wait. Le agarro por... Lo rescato.
Tort, come here. Tort. Look at his mouth.
Eat your own. Oh my gosh! What?
Oh!
I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
I think you believe forget shot deserves a second chance.
You park with Cody?
You're going to the doggy park and you're going to bring your ball? And what are they going to eat at the doggy park?
Hello? Oh, yes. Just make yourself at home.
Pipes are old.
Oh, let's get the second one. Chew on Monday, okay? You're gonna have a great time. Listen, you're gonna meet so many new friends. Yeah, that's
A guide to maximising your cat's potential.
Ох, нифига себе! Костя! Я заснял. Да, да, да.
Kelly, here he goes.
Tu límite, no podías sobre esa frazada. No podías sobre esa frazada.
Kiss on this cheek, this ear is gonna come up.
Look, Goose. You like it? Don't you?
Mason was born because that was a very special time for me, and I was so emotional. And just being in the room when Courtney was giving birth to Mason, my first.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Woo!
Thank you. If you're good for a game. You got that thing?
Yes. We have to see it, Mom.
Cola. Hey.
Co, you broke the bed.
You are going to go.
Oh, my bad. Oye, oye.
ای قربونت برم من. آخه تو شکارم میکنی؟ رفت.
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I...
The classic downward dog, upward butt maneuver.
It's a talker, bro. I'm just gonna say.
Slay ayam lang. Slay ayam.
No.
Give me your paw. Ow. Gentle. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Ow.